Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? GM, no matter where you are in the world, welcome to the live stream. And today's topic, we will be looking at the Solana situation. Where do we go next? Should you be in Solana right now, or you should be in Ethereum? Solana versus Ethereum. It's where the discussion is. And if you're wondering why we're even having this discussion in the first place, because there is now a battle between Ethereum and Solana. Solana had a pump, Ethereum not so much, but now we're starting to see some activity and volume going into the Ethereum eco. So that's why we're looking at this today. And without wasting too much time, let's just get into it. I will be breaking it all down. And let's first start looking at some news and what is happening right now in the world of crypto, especially in the Solana ecosystem itself. So there is some news here about Solana phishing attacks cost users $4 million in December. So please, if you're trading on Solana, I would recommend that you be a little bit more careful with what you're doing, because the scammers, the phishing attacks are getting more real and real. So please, guys, if you have a Phantom wallet, make sure you're not using public Wi-Fi out there. When you're using public Wi-Fi, make sure you turn on some VPN. If you can afford to get a hardware wallet, make sure you use it, because the phishing scams keep getting out of control. A lot of people are losing a lot of money. All right, and on the other news, we have also seen an XRP hack. So simply, if you type in the news just Ripple, you'll see that this is currently the most trending topic when it comes to Ripple. Right, let's go to the news. Okay, there's two main things going on. There is the XRP price could witness correction as SEC goes after Ripple's financial statement. So the focus of the crypto market at the moment is entirely on Bitcoin, owing to recent spot Bitcoin ETF approval. But the same cannot be said about the SEC that continues to fight Ripple Labs, impacting the XRP price in return. Per its latest attempt, the regulatory body now has the company's financial statement for the past year. That's one. But there's also another news related to a hack sell-off, or like a XRP sell-off. Okay, this is currently on Twitter, which we can find. But somebody basically transferred a bunch of Ripple. There was a transaction that showed that XRP was being transferred from XRP into an exchange, Bitfinex, to be sold. Where is that? I did posted it here. XRP, yeah, this is it. But it turns out to be fake. So I just wanted you guys to know. So 25 billion XRP tokens, which is about $14 billion transferred from unknown wallets to Bitfinex. And this is the transaction. It failed, but I think it was a hack. Somebody was trying to do this. And a lot of people here are saying Brad sent his XRP to his wallet to dump on us. Oh, just kidding. But that wouldn't be good if true. So yeah, this transaction didn't work, but somehow somebody managed to send a whole lot of Ripple from their wallet into Bitfinex. They tried, it didn't work out. So XRP holders, please be aware that your coin is highly centralized and things like this can actually happen. But we digress. Moving on to today's topic on Solana. Let's start with looking at the cooldown of Solana token. All right. So just turn off the video. Let's first look at the cooldown of Solana before we look at Solana versus Ethereum. So Solana itself This is where it stands at the moment. This is a daily chart, and you can see it has actually had a massive run without really so much correction, especially from here, from September 2023, around here, up until now. It has gone up 6 times, all the way up. And now we stand at a point in time, let's just bring the fib. All right, we're now starting to see the time where the momentum is starting to weaken, and you can kind of see what is going on here. On the candles, there is a bounce back whenever it hits 86. There's good support here around $86, but it seems like the momentum keeps on getting weaker and the volumes here are reducing, if you see. That is interesting. And obviously, the nitrous bull has called it bearish already. There's a bearish signal on SOL. However, do not get too carried away by this. I want to show you guys something. So this is what is going on chain data. On number one, obviously, is Ethereum, but actually currently number two is Solana. So if you look right now in 24-hour volume, Ethereum is at $882.6 million in the last 24 hours. However, if I go to Solana, which is still considered a small chain, Solana is at $435 million of activity. So the activities keep going, and the shit coins keep on trading and printing more numbers in the last 24 hours with actually significant liquidity, even on smaller tokens. So there is a lot of activity happening on Solana. I think it's not completely over. You shouldn't give up on Solana too quickly. However, I'm also going to say this. So most of the Solana-based tokens actually are still too high at the moment because they were climbing Solana. So you can look at Dog with the hat. I mean, this token has been going bananas for a while. And several other meme coins on Solana have been going up significantly. They're still in the high ups. So what you want to do at this point, in my opinion, is if you're too exposed into Solana tokens, I would be worried about those, the altcoins in Solana. I would be worried about those. So I would sell off some of them, take profit, and move those into Ethereum because Ethereum is just getting started. So I'll go back to, let me go back to the Sol Ethereum. This is the Solana Ethereum chart. I'll switch on to the daily. It's basically had been bearish, meaning that Solana is losing momentum against Ethereum from the 27th of December, actually. And it has been going on for that way. The next considerable resistance, or I mean, the next support level that is realistic here is 0.03, which is about 15%. So the way this works is that Solana itself could be going up. Ethereum is just going to keep going up stronger, which means that this gap is going to get closed. That's how this kind of charts works. So I would say I would either stay away of Solana and move into Ethereum, or I would reduce my position from Solana and move some of it into Ethereum until this has been reversed. So the next time you see this trend changes, this signal becomes bull, it becomes green. That's when you want to get back into Solana because it will obviously outcompete Ethereum, but you just want to be in it on the right time. So look at what happened here, guys. This was in September 2023. Nitrous Bull actually went bullish on Solana against Ethereum. So boom, since then, the only time that it went bearish was in December. So it's absolutely clear that you want to currently move away from Solana until we see another bull signal like this. So It's not over. The party on Solana is definitely not over. You just want to make sure that you don't get caught out, because it could see a considerable drop, especially if the Ethereum pump gets going stronger. Okay, if you want these signals, by the way, if you want to have these bull bear signals in your chart, this is the nitrous bull indicator that I use. You can find it at cryptouniversity.network. And if you go to signals, it's basically here on the website right here. Get it. It's worth the money because it increases your chance of winning your trades and investments, and it makes it easier. You don't have to overthink. You just look and follow. It also gives you the green and red dotted lines, which are the support and resistance of certain tokens. Okay, so before we close, we can go quickly also have a look at BTC USD here, the OG, the Bitcoin, what is going on at the moment. So I drew this trend line on the last few days. We say that we want to keep above, but now because we exited it, we're now looking at a bearish situation. So nitrous bull here just went bearish on Bitcoin. And I believe the nitrous bull so much. So this to me is a clear indicator that we are going to trend lower, more likely to visit the 38K level. However, because of the sentiment that's happening in the market with the ETF and the fundamentals, this could be reversed at any time, especially considering that this is week now. We're now in the week. It was the weekend. The ETFs don't trade. If we see significant volume in the grand market of the ETF, this could be reversed at any moment. So please be observing it. However, you should expect volatility in the next few days, which is going to be the battle of the bears and the bulls trying to maintain this position. You can see that in Bitcoin, there is a considerable amount of support around this level, right? Been so many drops that have bounced back from this level. But this time around, the nitrous bull has caught it bearish. So this could be a little more concerning. But it's Monday. Let's see how the markets are going to react. All right. I want to also share about some of the plays that I've been sharing on Twitter. If you following what I'm sharing here, you definitely pay more attention. I shared some free mints on it and also some exciting stuff, especially in the ordinals. There's an upcoming IDO on Alex. This is a good opportunity for people who are holding Alex token because they have approved that they will be launching Orange. It will launch as the first IDO project on Alex. So make sure you check that out and you position yourself to get in. I shared also how to make sure that you get into that IDO. I also shared some free mints on in the ordinals, which was LIGO, and this has now been completed. I told you guys it had less than 24 hours to go, and if you check it now, you can see that LIGO has now been completed with 12,000 minters or holders. Currently, it has a market cap of $11.89 million. Trading volume already of $4.3 million. So it means that the trading has already started. This coin is getting liquidity. So congratulations to everybody that minted this token. You just got yourself some free money. And the next thing to do is to hold and see how the market is going to basically react to this kind of stuff. But congratulations to everyone. And there is an early investment allocation, an opportunity to basically invest in a coin before it launches. For this one, I have shared it in the alpha group, and today I will be following up with the members that want some allocation on that token. And I think we're more likely to be successful in that one. So if you're not in the alpha group, make sure you join in because you're missing out on a lot of new plays that I find and other people find as well. You can find it at cryptouniversity.network. Alpha Group, be a member of an elite crypto trading community where it pays to be there. I mean, you pay, you join, and it's a subscription. but it's worth the money because the opportunities you find in there are enormous. All right. Do you like track? I heard track holders getting an airdrop. I don't know about the airdrop, but I hold a lot of track. Maybe I should just move my track now over to my Dex wallet because some of it is on exchanges, but I do hold a lot of track. Yes, I'm bullish on track. I love track, and I've been telling everybody about it. Hopefully, you guys have been listening. So this is track, currently down. Good buy opportunity in my books, and I think it's going to be one of the best performers in the BRC20 ecosystem. But yeah, I do like track. Thanks for asking. Okay, Kokino on AVAX. So is on fire. Yeah, absolutely. So it's the morning, guys. Thank you for watching, for joining me. I will be doing this live stream on the very same time every day in the morning. So please make sure you turn your notifications on, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. All of that helps to support the channel. If you want links to everything that I use from Bybit and other exchanges you can use to trade, links are in the description below. All right. Stay awesome, guys. I will see you later.